Welcome to all students. Today we'll do exercise 12.1, question number 4. 4 says distance traveled by Hamid and Akhtar in an hour are 9 km and 12 km. Distance covered per hour is given. So we have to find the ratio of speed of Hamid to speed of Akhtar. How we will solve this one? What is given, we will write that one. Given distance covered by Hamid in 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 9 km, or we can write this one as the speed of Hamid. So we will write next speed of Akhtar is equal to 12 km per hour. So therefore we have to find the ratio. In ratio, whose speed will be in the numerator? Speed of Hamid. So speed of Hamid to speed of Akhtar. Speed of Hamid is 9 km per hour and speed of Akhtar is 12. Now divide by 3. It will come 3:4. So question number 4 you will do like this. Question number 5 says fill in the following blanks. Fill in the blanks means we have to fill in the blanks. Here we have 15 by 18. After that here we have blanks and here it is 6. So 18, after 18 they have written 6 is given. That means 18 is divided by 3. So if we will divide by 15 by 3 we will get 5. So 5 by 6. Next one, what we see here, we have 10. So 5 is multiplied by 10 to 10. 5 multiplied by 2 gets 10. So we will multiply 6 by 2 to get 12. Now here in same question, here it is 30. If here it is 6, so 6 is multiplied by 5 to get 30. So 5 multiplied by 5 will be 25. So fill in the blanks, we will solve like this. Next question. So in question number 6, we have to find the ratio of the following given quantities. So in A, we have 81 to 108. So we will find ratio. 81 will be in the numerator, 108 will be in the denominator. Now what we see, which is divisible by 9. 9 9 is 81, 9 12 times. Again 9 and 12 is divisible by 3. So 3 times, 3 4 times. So 3 by 4 can be written as 3:4. This is the ratio. Question number B, we have 90. Find the ratio between 98 to 63. That means ratio we have to find between 98 to 63. So what we see, 63 is divisible by which number? 7. 9 times 63 and 7 1 is 7 and 7 14 times. So the ratio will be 14:9. Then in C we have to find the ratio between 33 km to 121 km. So ratio we will write 33 km by 121 km. It is divisible by 11. Kilometer we will cancel 11 3 times, 11 times. So ratio will be 3:11. In D, we have to find the ratio between 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So we will write ratio. What is given first will be written on the top, that is 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Minutes cancel. This one is divisible by 15 2 ja 15 3 times. So 2:3. We'll do the ratio. To find ratio we'll do like this. Next question. So question number 7 says find the ratio of the following. We have to find the ratio between the given quantities. In A we have 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. Here what we are seeing, both the quantity units are not same. So units should be same to find ratio, the units of the quantities should be same. So what we will do, we will change 1.5 hour into minutes. So 1.5 hours is equal to 1.5 into 60, that is 90 minutes. Now we will find ratio between 30 minutes to 90 minutes. Minute is cancelled, 3 1 3, 1:3. This is the ratio. Second question, it is 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. Here again it is 1.5 meter. So we will change both into same unit. So we will change 1.5 meter to centimeter. 1.5 into, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we will multiply with 100. It will come 150 centimeter. Now we will find ratio between 40 centimeter and 150 centimeter. So write ratio is equal to 40 centimeter by 150 centimeter. Centimeter is cancelled, 0 is cancelled, so it will come 4:15. Question number C, we have 55 paise to rupees 1. Paise to rupees. Here we have paise, here it is rupees. So we will change rupees 1 equal to 100 paise. So now we will write ratio equal to 55 paise by 100 paise. Now cancel, this is 5, 5 11 times, 5 20 times. So the ratio will 11:20. In the last question number D, we have 500 ml to liter, milliliter and liter. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So change 2 liter will be equal to 1000 into 2, that is 2000 milliliter. Now ratio will be 500 ml by, write properly, by 2000 ml. ml is cancelled, 2020, 5 4 times, 5 1 times, that is, it is coming 1:4. Ratio is coming 1:4. So after this, next question. In question number 8, it says that in a year, Seema earns rupees 1,50,000 and saves rupees 50,000. Find the ratio of, in A, money that Seema earns to the money she saves, and in B, money that Seema saves to money she spends. Here in this question we have to find two ratios. First one is between earning and saving. Second one is between saving and total money spent. So only earning and saving is given, money spent is not given. So first we will find that. How we will do? Money earns is equal to 1,50,000. Money saves or saved is equal to 50,000. Money spent is equal to 1,50,000 minus 50,000, that is equal to 1 lakh. Okay, so first ratio we have to find between money she earns to money she saves. Money earns is 1,50,000, saving is 50,000. 5 1 5, 5 3 15, that is ratio is 3:1. Second ratio is, second question is, we have to find ratio between money saves to money spent. Saving to expenditure, that is money saves is 50,000 and money spent is 1 lakh. So divide 5 1 5, 5 2 10, that is 1:2. So these questions are simple questions of word problem. You will do like this. For next question, we'll do in next question because this video is going to be too long now. So thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel. Thanks to you.